The Brainerd Mission Cemetery, a sacred acre burrowed in present-day Chattanooga, Tennessee, encroached by its busy streets and a bustling shopping center. In the 1800s, the cemetery laid along the rolling hills of the old Cherokee Nation, nestled alongside the Brainerd Mission Station, where Reverend Daniel Butrick worked as a missionary to the Cherokees. Reverend Butrick's journal is one of the only detailed first-hand accounts of the Trail of Tears and tells the tragic stories of several Cherokees buried in this hallowed ground. His journal begins in 1838, as Cherokees who had not already left for the West were rounded up into concentration camps, one of them near this site. June 17, 1838. On this day we were called to follow the remains of a poor Cherokee woman to the grave. I knelt down and prayed for her dear departing soul. I was at once overcome and wept aloud in contemplating the condition of these dear sick people. June 18, 1838. Today we are called to perform the funeral obsequies of a little child who died with the body flux. His afflicted mother was permitted to fetch him from the camps this morning. The child seemed already in the agonies of death when she arrived. On the 19th, the young man above mentioned was carried to the grave, and on the 20th, a middle-aged woman followed. June 28, 1838. It is said that many old women driven in this company cried like children when they started, saying they never could live to walk that journey in this hot season, but their cries could not be heard. They were driven on.